2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike has also been designed with a focus on accessibility, making it an ideal choice for riders who may have previously hesitated to take on a large touring motorcycle. The three-wheel setup eliminates the challenge of handling a heavy bike at slow speeds, opening up long-distance touring to a wider range of riders, including those who prioritize balance and stability over traditional two-wheel performance. This inclusivity is one of the strongest appeals of the Gold Wing Trike, as it ensures that the joy of motorcycle touring remains within reach for everyone. Honda has also placed great emphasis on aerodynamics in the new model. The Trike's bodywork has been sculpted using wind tunnel testing to reduce drag while improving rider and passenger comfort. The airflow around the rider has been optimized to minimize buffeting at high speeds, while adjustable windshields and deflectors allow for a customizable experience based on weather conditions. This attention to detail ensures that riders can remain comfortable across hundreds of miles without fatigue caused by wind resistance. The lighting system on the 2026 Gold Wing Trike represents another leap forward. Full LED lighting not only enhances the bike's modern appearance but also improves visibility for both the rider and other road users. The headlights are adaptive, automatically adjusting their beam depending on speed, lean, and road conditions, which significantly increases safety during night rides or when navigating poorly lit roads. The rear lighting setup has also been modernized, giving the Trike a distinct and futuristic presence on the road. Fuel efficiency has been improved without compromising the Trike's powerful performance. Honda has incorporated advanced engine management systems and lightweight materials to reduce overall weight, making the machine more eco-friendly while maintaining long-distance touring capability. A larger fuel tank ensures fewer stops, enabling riders to cover vast stretches of highway between refuels. This balance of power and efficiency ensures that the Gold Wing Trike remains practical for everyday use as well as extended adventures. In terms of customization, Honda offers a wide range of accessories and add-ons for the 2026 Gold Wing Trike. Riders can choose from options like upgraded audio systems, premium seats, additional chrome packages, luggage organizers, and touring covers. This personalization allows each owner to tailor the Trike to their unique touring needs and personal style, making it a truly individual machine. Honda understands that a Gold Wing is not just a motorcycle but a lifestyle, and the accessories reflect that philosophy. The suspension system deserves special attention because of how much it transforms the ride experience. Equipped with electronically adjustable suspension, the Trike automatically adapts to road conditions and load weight. This means whether you are riding solo, with a passenger, or carrying heavy luggage, the Trike maintains consistent stability and comfort. Riders can also manually adjust suspension settings to suit their preferences, creating a tailored riding experience for different terrains. Another feature that sets the 2026 Gold Wing Trike apart is its advanced braking technology. With the specialized anti-lock braking system designed specifically for three-wheel dynamics, the stopping power is incredibly smooth and stable. This not only improves rider confidence in sudden stops but also ensures safety on slippery or uneven road surfaces. The distribution of braking force between the front and rear wheels has been carefully engineered to maximize control in every situation. Honda has also paid attention to connectivity in this Trike. Beyond smartphone integration, the Gold Wing Trike now includes over-the-air software updates, ensuring that the infotainment system and safety features remain up to date without requiring trips to the dealership. This modern approach to motorcycle technology future-proofs the machine and ensures that riders can enjoy the latest features for years after purchase. When comparing the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike to its competition, it stands out as a class leader. While other Trike models exist in the touring segment, few combine Honda's legendary engineering reliability with luxury, advanced safety, and rider-focused technology. It positions itself not just as a competitor but as the benchmark for what a premium touring Trike should deliver. Riders choosing the Gold Wing know they are investing in Honda's reputation for durability and innovation, which makes it a long-term companion for adventures. The lifestyle appeal of the Gold Wing Trike cannot be overstated. It is more than just a vehicle, it is a gateway to exploration, long rides, and unforgettable experiences for retirees who still crave the thrill of open-road travel, for couples who want to explore in comfort, and for enthusiasts who demand stability without losing the essence of motorcycling. This trike is the perfect solution. It bridges the gap between the freedom of motorcycles and the stability of touring vehicles, creating an experience that feels both liberating and secure. Would you like me to expand even further with 10 more paragraphs about expected pricing, rider community culture, ownership benefits, and future upgrades Honda may introduce?